National Weather Service in State College, Pennsylvania has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Adams County in south central Pennsylvania, Cumberland County in south central Pennsylvania, western Dauphin County in south central Pennsylvania, east central Franklin County in south central Pennsylvania, east central Juniata County in central Pennsylvania, Perry County in south central Pennsylvania, southeastern Snyder County in central Pennsylvania, northwestern New York County in south central Pennsylvania, southwestern Northumberland County in central Pennsylvania, until 2:45 p.m. At 1:38 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a line of severe thunderstorms. These severe storms extended from Belltown to Port Royal to Parallac to Upper Strasburg, moving east at 45 miles per hour. These storms are capable of producing damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. Locations in the warning include Eckiesburg and Shippensburg, Louisville and Newville, Newport and New Bloomfield, Shermansdale and Newport, Measureville and Montgomery Ferry, Port Treverton and Duncannon. This will impact the following central Pennsylvania interstates: the Pennsylvania Turnpike between mile markers 207 and 246, Interstate 81 between mile markers 17 and 72, Interstate 83 between mile markers 36 and 50, Interstate 283. Severe thunderstorms produce damage. Move inside a permanent building now to be safe from strong wind gusts. Please report hail, strong winds or wind damage to the National Weather Service by calling toll-free 1-877-633-6772. The following is a severe thunderstorm watch announcement from the National Weather Service. The National Weather Service has issued severe thunderstorm watch number 638, effective until 10 p.m. This watch includes the following county: Dorchester County, Maryland. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means that conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds, and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. Repeating, severe thunderstorm watch number 638 has been issued from 1:50 p.m. until 10 p.m. for the following county: Dorchester County, Maryland.